Hey y'all, it's Stacy and this is the MGM Grand. This is a king suite with a strip view here at MGM Grand. So we've already been here a few days. This is gonna be the quick and dirty room tour, but we tried to clean the room up as best we could. Comment below what you think about my hospital corners and let's get to it. In this room, you do get the king-size bed. Again, we've been sleeping on it for a few nights. It is incredibly comfortable. Of course, you've got a desk in case you need to work. You do have a 2-chair seating area with another table and a lamp. Of course, we also have a mini bar, but let's talk about that. Come in closer. Most mini bars in Las Vegas are on weighted sensors, so once you've picked one of these up, you've already paid for it. You may as well consume it. Same thing goes for this tray of snacks up here. These are on weighted sensors. Once you pick them up, you've already bought it. Of course, we have a television, 2-person closet. Let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty standard, but I can appreciate this wide space. You have a nice big lighted mirror, a large vanity with 1 sink, toilet, tub, shower. Same things you'd see in any hotel room. They've got really good water pressure, and I love that. Hi, past Stacy here. So we just literally walked in this room and sat our stuff down, and I wanted to show you a few of the things that I've noticed as far as cleanliness. This stuff was sitting behind the trash can. This is other people's trash and somebody else's like ball of hair.
Gross.
There was also a coffee stirrer on the carpet, so it just kind of makes me wonder if this even got vacuumed. These are not our fingerprints all over the countertop. You know, I mean, really, you can write your name in the dust. Anyway, it was just kind of gross, and for what they charge you, it's not really acceptable. Back to the video. All right, that's the room tour. Let's go to the pool. So out here at MGM Grand, they have 4 pools and a lazy river. One of the pools is kind of the main public pool for everybody. They have loungers at every pool, and they also have day beds, but all of the day beds are for rental. You can get some loungers without paying if you get here early enough. And then the other pools, mostly by reservations. We have our own waitress. They also have mobile ordering in the rest of the section. MGM Grand also has a 54,000 square foot day club called Wet Republic. This separate venue at the back of the property offers the ultimate pool party with celebrity DJs like Steve Aoki mixing the hottest tracks. You don't have to be staying at MGM Grand to go to Wet Republic, but tickets are an additional fee and spots fill up fast, so you may want to make your reservation in advance. All right, we're going to hang out at the pool and we will see you after. MGM Grand is massive. This place opened up in 1993 and is currently Las Vegas's largest casino. Here at MGM, you are not going to be at a loss of things to do. They've got David Copperfield magic shows. They've got a comedy club. Go test your driving skills at Topgolf, or you can see a theater show here at Cirque du Soleil Cop. Okay, we have cleaned up for dinner, so let's talk about some of the places you can eat and drink here at MGM Grand. If you find this video helpful and are able to support my work, consider joining my Patreon or YouTube channel membership. Members get early access to videos and other perks. If a membership isn't your thing, show your support with a one-time donation using the Super Thanks button or the Buy Me a Coffee link in the video description. As always, free ways to support the channel include becoming a subscriber and hitting that like button. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get back to the video.
I feel like when they designed MGM Grand, the point was to give you so many options you never needed to leave. There are 15 different options as far as restaurants to choose from, and they have a food court with even more things to choose from. On top of that, you have 10 different bars to get yourself a drink, and I saw a daiquiri shop down near the food court. We ended up going to Crush for dinner tonight, and the food was so good. This is American Fusion. They have so many different options for food and drink, and it might have been the best thing we had during this trip. We also had a late lunch at Nellie's Southern Kitchen. This is also American food, more like comfort food, and the chicken and dumplings I had could rival my granny's.
All right, it's Friday night, so let's hit the casino and go gamble.
The casino itself is over 171,000 square feet. It features 3,000 slot machines, 200 table games, and poker rooms. There's also a high roller room if you've got the cash. Okay, we're headed out for the night, so I'll see you in the morning for my final thoughts.
Okay, so final thoughts. I really love this resort just because it's so massive and there's so much to do here. The casino floor is the largest in Las Vegas, and you can tell. I feel like the games and the slot machines, everything just keeps going for miles and miles. So it gives you a lot of variety. The only thing with that is the betting here is a higher minimum, and I don't know, that just didn't really work for us. I think if you've got a higher budget, it totally would, but especially on the weekend, $25 minimum bets anywhere, and it just goes up from there. It's just, you lose your money too fast, and then you don't have any fun. So as far as gambling, I mean, the casino floor is pretty and it's got a lot of variety, but we really enjoyed going to other casinos that might be a little bit smaller but allowed us to play games for longer, which is kind of the point, right? You come here to have fun. The prices that you're going to pay are going to be more elevated. The problem I have is that I don't really think this hotel, or at least this room, is any better to charge you $450 to $650 a night on a weekend to stay here. I would never pay that price to stay in this room. I don't know if I'd pay that price to stay anywhere, but I definitely wouldn't pay it to stay here. I think you're paying for the name MGM Grand. The pool was great. We had such a good time. I'm so happy that we were able to reserve those seats. And we had a good time in the lazy river. It did get a little congested, but it is a Sunday on a 4th of July weekend, so I kind of came to expect that. And then, like I said, speaking of food, we did go eat dinner at Crush. The food was so awesome. I think the location is great. I know it's kind of south center of the Strip, but you are right here at the monorail, so you can get back up the Strip very quickly. If you have a hotel or a resort that you want to recommend for the next review, please put that down in the comments below. I have made an entire video of what to do when you come to Las Vegas, and I'm going to put that video right here so you can watch it next. Bye!